think you'd make it in time?
See? Nothing to worry about. I got... what's that?
What is what?
I think... Yeah, I'm pretty sure that plane is gonna hit us. Just stay calm and don't freak out.
What do you mean, don't freak out? Do you have a plan?
Yeah, I shoot through the windshield, dive into the plane, and kill that asshole Philippe.
You mean we, right?
Promise you won't hold this against me later, sweetie.
Wait, what?
It's a fucking horrible idea. True!
Gentlemen, negotiations were less than successful. Viola and Kiki will spread the word. Steelport belongs to the Syndicate, and the Saints are not welcome. Mr. Killbane, gather your luchadores and bring me their leader's head. Mr. Miller, hack into the Saints' accounts and leave them nothing.
The body of Mr. Gat will be a message for all who oppose the Syndicate. There is no mercy, only death. Don't mourn your find. You'll be joining him soon.
Loren's gonna pay for this.
Let's grab a ride and figure out where we are.
Steelport. It's kind of like Bangkok's abusive father.
So you've been here before?
Spring break.
This where Field Boss comes from? What the hell is it?
You don't want to know.
Fine, be like that. So where are we going?
Look, I was really high the last time I was here. Just drive. It'll come back to me.
I feel naked without a gun.
Why don't you just look up friendly fire on your phone?
Come again?
It has GPS, right? Check your map.
Call Pierce and fill him in.
I texted him. He's bringing the crew.
Any ideas how we can wrangle up a couple hundred guns?
Yeah, we raid the guard armory.
That's why I count on you, hon.
You can't be serious.
They have more than enough to go around. What's to worry about?
Getting shot comes to mind.
Bullets? Whatever, I dove through a moving plane.
Also a shitty idea.
Way to channel Pierce. It's very natural sounding.
Not cool.
Even hanging out a lot? Going on some dates? Picking up place settings?
All right. We'll pick a fight with the military.
That's my girl.
Wow, that still exists?
Huh?
That's where I used to score weed.
coming here for spring break means you gotta know someone here.
Yeah, I keep up with one of my exes.
This place big at all?
Already offered it to Pierce and the boys.
You kinda dodged the question.
I know. Here's the cash I have on me.
How far's the armory?
Not far, it's on the GPS. All right, the guns should all be in that warehouse.
Perfect. What's the plan to move it all?
Maybe you should have thought about that before attacking an armory.
Okay, fair, but it's a real good question.
Don't worry, Pierce has that covered.
Soldier in need of cover here! This man will kill you for my country!
It's like they don't want to invite us in.
Shooting them probably doesn't help change their mind. Nice one, boss. Jeez, look at the size of that thing. Bet that's a hell of a way to end a gunfight.
Let's take it with and find out.
Yeah, right. Wait, you're serious, aren't you?
Can't let them leave! Fight some-
Still think I'm just a pretty face?
Okay, that was impressive. Here's the weapons cache, and these look like UAV drone controls over here.
Did you really say look like UAV drone controls?
Okay, is this really the time?
Hey, you're the one who said it.